How to log into your Airbnb account on PC. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in your Airbnb login and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, Airbnb.com. Open it. You'll be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. Go ahead and select your country code, then type in your phone number and click on continue. In the next page, you will need to type in your password and click on done. Just for that, you will be logged into your account. Or else you can use these options to log into your account: Facebook, Google, Apple ID, email address. If you want to use any of these options, you just have to click on it. You'll only be able to use these options in the case you have created your account using these options. You just have to click on it. So I'm gonna select email. Now you have to go ahead and type in your email. Once we're done, click on continue, and in the next page you will need to type in your password, and with that you will be logged into your account. So this is how you can easily log into your Airbnb account on PC. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.